this video, I'll discuss KuCoin's trading fees first. The spot fee is 0.1%. Now, if you trade futures often, the taker fee is 0.02% and the maker fee is 0.06%. If you trade $1 million in volume, multiplied by the 0.02% fee, you'd pay $200 in fees. For taker trades, if you trade $1 million volume at 0.06%, you'd pay $600 in fees. Now, I'll explain how to get a 35% fee rebate. If you sign up for KuCoin using my link or referral code CATB50, you'll get a 35% rebate. For example, if you pay $100 in fees, you'll get $35 back. This is real money, not just a fee reduction. It's an actual refund on trading fees. So spot fees become 0.065%, futures, taker 0.013%, and maker 0.039%. You'll pay less overall. The fee is only $130. This will be refunded is $70 and the total is 0.039%, 39 is $390 and the break even is about $240. You can see that if you have a high volume of over 1 million volumes, then okay, there are many exchanges here. For example, this BinX exchange, this BinX exchange, this Binance exchange, OKX exchange, MEXC exchange, Coinus, Quest, IO, BitGet, Debcoin XT, and BitMax. These exchanges will be supported as a refund of transaction fees. Hey, if you love any floor, you can go to this article to watch. I will leave a link at the bottom of the description and comment of this video for you. Then the Battery X floor is the floor that Huang has the highest fees, up to 40%. The future is 0.02 and 0.05 is the loss of this $200 and $500. As if you can get a 40% discount to only 0.012 and 0.03, that's it. If it's a million trading volume, it's $80. Real money is $80 if it's a million trading volume, and it's up to $200. It's only $300 for everything. Here's the formula: multiply trading volume by the fee. Exchanges volume times fee equals your total cost. Check Binance, futures 0.016%, total 0.04%, 20% off. OKX, maker 0.02%, taker 0.05%. After rebate, 0.016% and 0.04%. Registration shows rebate percentage, and MSC always displays Bitcoin. With Get Big Get, 20% off. XT 30%, BMX 30% cashback. If you want your preferred exchange and it's not here, message me via email, Telegram or Facebook if it's not in this article.